Okay, so I've showed how you can make duplications and it copies the same script, and so the same programming can be on other objects as well as on things like that to get points. Now there is another way where you don't duplicate. So I duplicate the key, so there's now 3 keys. But what happens if I want more bananas on the screen? Instead of like 3 keys like this, I want lots more bananas, but I don't want lots more sprites. Now there is a way of doing it, but it means you have to do a little bit more programming. Okay, so what we can do is we can use what's called cloning. Now, got to find where cloning is in here. So got to look for where is cloning. I've sort of forgotten where it is, so I'll have to look. Oh, there it is. It's under the control menu. So what you need to understand is you can program it like this with this event when green flag is clicked. But when you make a clone, you have to program the new one, the new clone, to act like the green flag. So when I start as a clone, what happens when I am a clone? Not just when I'm a green flag, but when I'm a copy of the banana. Okay, so the moment the banana is programmed to do this, but if I make a clone, what will the new banana clone do? And so we can copy this code, duplicate the code, duplicate the code. That it's a little bit nifty. That it also is programmed the same as the there. So you've got to sort of copy that. It's a little bit unusual, but I need to copy all this. Okay, I need to have all this code copied as for the clones, so the copies of the banana. Okay, so I just basically copied that code and this code, because all this could go under the green flag there. Don't need two. Really, we don't need 2 green flags. Okay, so this is the normal bananas. This banana here is programmed this way, but any copies of the clone are here. Okay, now we haven't got any copies at the moment. We've just said what will happen if there is a copy. That's how it's going to program. How do we make a copy? We have to do that. Okay, so where can we put this? We can put this in a loop. So we can say repeat 10 times, so 10 copies. When the green flag is clicked, it's going to make 10 copies, and that should be about it. So that's the new code right there. So let's have a look and see what it does. So there's 10 new bananas. One of them is the original banana, and all the others are duplicates, all programmed to do that. So let's see if it actually works and our points go up. Hence the cloning copies are working, and you notice there's only 1 sprite. And now I've got 1 sprite, but there's actually 10 copies that are programmed. And that's cloning. It's a little bit harder to do, but it's pretty cool.